I love planning kids' parties, and if you follow me, you know that I've had a lot of fun planning themed parties for my daughters Lily and Bella. Well, today I'm going to show you an easy DIY that's perfect for those kiddos that love animals, and this is a cute favor that they can take home. And we're going to be using COLORSHOT spray paint. The colors are so bright, vibrant. It is one of my favorite spray paints. And as a bonus, the same colors come in acrylic paint and paint pens. Plus they have fun names like emoji, farmer's daughter, and even aromatherapy. All right, so the other things that we need to make today's party favor are toy animals. We're gonna be using a little paper tag, as well as twine, and our COLORSHOT paint pens and a black permanent marker. For our first step, we're gonna head outdoors and we're gonna spray paint. I'm gonna grab my animals and let's go. While our animals are drying, we're gonna make their adoption tags. I'm using my COLORSHOT paint pens to decorate them, and then a fine tip permanent marker to make the adoption tag. All right, our animals are ready for a happy home. I tied the tags around them, and then the kids can write in the animals' names and their date of birth. I love how easy this fun party favor was, and check out those pop-in colors. COLORSHOT really is an amazing spray paint. You can find out more about COLORSHOT on their website, and make sure to follow them on social for other great projects from creators like me. And as always, you can head to craftboxgirls.com and follow us at craftboxgirls for more projects using my favorite COLORSHOT products. That's it for today's craft. Happy partying, friends. Bye.